Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see the topic understanding quadrilaterals. It is a continuation of exercise 3.1. The last class we have seen we find the unknown value of x, that is if all the interior angles of a given in the quadrilateral, we find the unknown angle x. In this class we will see we want to find the same unknown value of x, but the exterior angle of a quadrilateral is given. Okay, if the exterior angles are given, we find the unknown value. So in the 5 marks, these and all 5 marks, that is question number 7. First one, first subdivision, find x plus y plus z. Okay, this is the first one. First we draw the diagram. As we draw the diagram, see we find the exterior angle of that. Okay, so using scale and pencil only you have to draw the diagram. Without scale, pencil, don't draw that. Okay, so it is the exterior angle, so we want to extend that. Okay, now this interior angle value is 30 degree. Okay, here 90 degree. Then this interior angle is not given. The exterior angle is here x, here y, this one is z. Okay, now we want to find the value of x, y, z, and then we add these three angles. Okay, this is a question we want to find out that. So it is a triangle. See the diagram, it is a triangle. Using the angle sum property of a triangle, we find the value of the unknown interior angle. Okay, first we find the unknown interior angle, then only we want to find the x, y, and z angles. Okay, so we will take this angle is A. Name of the angle is A. Here it is B. This one is C. Okay, so now in this diagram, sum of angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Very good. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we add these three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so it is a total angle is 180 degree. Here we have the angle of A is 30 degree plus B we don't know, so write angle B plus C. Angle C value degree is what? 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 30 plus 90, we add this 120. So angle B plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we want to find the angle of B. So angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So angle B is equal, this is the interior angle. Okay, that is 60 degree. Now we find the angle of x, y, and z. Three may find out. Now interior angle in the part that we find out, that is 60 degree need. In the next step, we find the angle of x and y, z. So how can we find this x, y, and z? Now we all know the linear pair. What is a linear pair? It is a straight line. A straight line is divided into two parts by another line. This line is divided, this straight line is by two divided parts. Okay, so what is the total angle of a straight line is 180 degree. You all know that. So the straight angle is 180 degree. If a linear line divides it into two parts, so here it is 60 degree. What is the remaining angle? So here it is 180 minus 60. Clear? So straight line or line cut பண்ணும்போது the remaining angle is what அப்படின்னா 180 minus 60. This is called linear pair. Okay. Using this we apply and find the angle of x, y and z. Okay. Now so in the first one angle B is find out, that is 60 degree அப்படின்றது find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Next x plus see here x plus 90 degree. இப்போ இதில் linear pair எது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's a straight line. இதை இந்த லைன் கட் பண்ணியிருக்கு. அப்போ x plus 90. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த டூ ஆங்கிள்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன வரணும்னீங்கன்னா 180 டிகிரி. ஓகே, ஒரு லைன் கட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த டூவாக டிவைட் பண்ண அந்த டூ ஆங்கிள்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணும்போது we get 180 டிகிரி. ஸோ இந்த சேம் மெத்தட் அப்போ x plus it's a straight line. இதை ஒரு லைன் கட் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஸோ x plus 90 degree is equal to what? 180. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் நம்ம இப்போ. ஓகே, so right, clearly x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Write the reason. What is that? By linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. So using that we find the value angle of x. So x is equal to what? X equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So the angle of x is 90 degree. Okay. Next we find the another angle. இப்போ இந்த part வரும். In this part z we find the value angle of z. அப்போ z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 write பண்ணலாமா? Yes, very good. அப்போ z plus 30 is equal to 180 அப்படின்னா z equal to what? 180 minus 30 degree. Okay, correct. அப்போ first x find out பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Next we find the angle of z. Now we write z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now z is equal to 180 degree. And now we write by linear pair. We want to write the reason of that. Okay, linear pair. 180 minus 30 degree. So z is equal to 180 minus 30 is 150 degree. Okay, clear? So z value find out பண்ணிட்டோம். That is 150 degree அப்படின்ட்டு. Next, in the third angle is y. Okay, so how can we find the y angle அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, in this interior angle we already find out that. What is that interior angle is? See here, interior angle is 60 அப்படின்றது find out பண்ணியிருக்கோமா? So இப்போ y plus 60 degree is equal to 180 by linear pair. Okay, so now write y plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason is by linear pair. So now we subtract that. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So 180 minus 60 is what? 120 degree. So y is equal to 120 degree. Clear? So now we find the three angles. What is that? X is equal to x and find out பண்ணிருந்தோம். X value is 90 degree. So x is 90 degree. Then y is equal to 120 degree. Z is equal to 150 degree. The question is x plus y plus z. Okay. Now we find x plus y plus z is equal to, right, 90 degree plus 120 degree plus 150 degree. Okay, we add this. 90 plus 120 is 210 plus 150 degree is equal to what? 360 degree. So the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Next, B subdivision. So now we are going to draw the diagram. It's a quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral. Draw the diagram. So 4 sides are there because it's a quadrilateral. Okay, now see, interior angle is 120 degree. Here X. Then this angle is 80 degree. This is Y. It is W. Then here 60 degree. This is Z. Okay. These are the angles are given. So now see, interior angles are 120, 80 and 60 degrees are given. We want to find the remaining one angle. Okay, we take this is A, here B, C, D. Okay, so this A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, now the sum of the total angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So using that we find this unknown value interior angle அப்படின்ற என்னன்றதை find out பண்ணிட போகிறோம். Okay, so after this we find the remaining angle of x. Where is x? X, y, z. கேட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? So in the next one x, y, z and w also given இல்லையா? So we find x, y, z and w. Exterior angles also we want to find. Okay, clear? So now we take the interior angles are, this angle is 1 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். It is 2. This one is 3. This one is 4. Totally 4 interior angles are there. Okay. So now we write that let ABCD be a given quadrilateral. Okay. Now sum of angles of a quadrilateral. What is that? Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is angles of a quadrilateral 360 degree. Is 360 degree. Okay, so if angle is 360 degree அப்படின்னும்போது we write that measurement of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus totally 4 angles are there, no? Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So we all know that. What is angle 1? We don't know that. We want to find out that only. Okay. Angle 2 is 60 degree. Angle 3 is 80 degree. Angle 4 is 120 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. Okay. 60 plus 80 is what? 140. 140 plus 140 degree plus 120 degree. Here you write this measurement of angle 1 equal to 360 degree. Here we add 260 degree. Angle 1 plus 260 degree is equal to 360 degree. So now this 260 degree comes to the right side. So 360 degree minus 260 degree is equal to what? 100 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 100 degree. This is the interior angle. In the angle oda interior find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay, this is 100 degree. In the last sum, the same method of last one, நம்ம என்ன linear pair யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இந்த same only we applying here also. Okay, so now in the first part angle A அப்படின்றது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா W plus angle 1. Angle 1 is 100. But W plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree, right? Clearly W plus 1, here we find 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here we write the reason by linear pair. Okay, so now we subtract this 100. W is equal to 180 degree minus 100. 180 minus 100 is what? 80 degree. So the angle W is what? 80 degree. Okay, in the same method we find out Z plus 60 degree is equal to 180. Now we write Z plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason by linear pair. The same model only. So Z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. We get 120 degree. So Z angle of Z is 120 degree. The next one X. So sorry, y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree in the same reason by linear pair. By linear pair. So now we subtract this 80 from 180 degree. So we get y angle is 100 degree. Clear? Okay. The last one we find the angle x plus 120 degree. Okay. X plus 120 degree is equal to x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason is by linear pair. Linear pair. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So x equal to 60 degree. So now we find the angles. What is that? X angle is 60 degree. Then y is 100 degree. Z is 120 degree. Then W is 80 degree. Okay. So the question is find x plus y plus z plus w. So now we write x is 60 degree plus 100 degree plus 120 degree plus 80 degree. Now we add this 160 plus here 200. This is equal to 360 degree. Clear? So sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So that we got this 360 degree. Okay. Next exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. It's a 3 marks. Find x. Find x in the following figures. Okay. So in this figure, first we draw the figure. Okay. Right. It is x degree. Now 125 degree. This angle also 125 degrees. So here in the some exterior angles are given. Okay. So now we want to find the polygon. It's a polygon. We want to find the exterior angle of that givens or exterior angles. We want to find the angle of x. Okay. So now sum of, it's a first part. Okay. A subdivision. So write sum of we all know sum of measures of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Exterior angle of the polygon. Polygon is what? 360 degree. We all know that. Okay. Using that, what are the exterior angles are given? 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So 125 plus 125 is 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now we find the value of x. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree is equal to 110 degree. This is the angle of x. Okay. So that only they are asking. We want to find the angle of x. Next B. Another one diagram is given. So it's also a quadrilateral. Draw the diagram first. Okay, now okay. Okay, right? This angle is x. It is 90 degree, 60 degree. Here also 90 degree. Here 70 degrees. So what are the exterior angles are given? See, it is this only we want to find that. This exterior angle also 90 degree. It is 60 degree. Interior is 90 degree. Na exterior also 90 degree. So here 70 degree. Okay. So using this we find the unknown angle x. The same statement we are using here also. Since sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is what? The last sum the polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Now write all the angles. X plus, see what are the angles we have? X plus 90 plus 60 plus, see here, x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. Okay, right. X plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. Now we add this. 90 plus 60 is 150 degree. Here 160 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So this is x plus 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now we find x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. So 360 minus 310 is x angle is 50 degree. Okay. So this is the unknown angle value of x. Okay. So in this class we have seen about the exterior angles. Okay. Quadrilateral exterior angles கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா how can we find out that அப்படின்றத பார்த்தோம். So in your homework, that is your homework, do page 27, worksheet number 21. The first part only you have to finish. Okay. In your practice workbook. Okay, thank you students.